Are robots coming for your supply chain job? Not quite, but artificial intelligence is changing everything faster than you think. Whether you're in procurement, logistics, or planning, your job is evolving. The question is, are you evolving with it? In this video, we'll break down exactly how AI is transforming supply chain careers, which roles are most impacted, and how you can stay ahead and even grow in this AI-driven future. Let's start. Current trending jobs in supply chain and logistics, which will get impact. The following roles are currently in high demand due to globalization, e-commerce growth, and data-driven operations. Here you can see almost all jobs are getting impacted, from supply chain analyst to AI or ML engineer. Let's check how AI is automating tasks in supply chain jobs. Which job tasks are getting automated or enhanced by AI? AI doesn't eliminate all jobs, it transforms them by automating repetitive tasks and enhancing decision-making. Here's a breakdown. Job task. AI tool/method. Description and example. Forecasting demand. Machine learning, XGBoost, ARIMA, LSTM. AI predicts demand more accurately using historical sales, weather, and promotions. Route optimization. Reinforcement learning, heuristics. AI, like Google's OR tools, selects optimal routes to minimize costs. Inventory, replenishment. Predictive analytics, AI bots. AI recommends restock levels to avoid stockouts or overstocking. Supplier selection. Natural language processing, NLP. AI scans supplier proposals and past performance data to recommend vendors. Procurement automation. Robotic process automation, RPA. Automated invoice processing, RFQ generation, and POS. Warehouse management. Computer vision, AI-based WMS. Automated sorting, bin detection, and robot picking. How AI will reshape roles across the supply chain. The biggest shift will be from manual and reactive tasks to strategic, data-driven, and supervisory roles. Here's a breakdown of how AI is transforming key job functions in the supply chain. Let's discuss each in detail with example. Demand planners, AI supervisors, and forecasters. Old role. Collect sales, seasonal, and promotional data manually. Use Excel-based models for monthly or quarterly forecasts. Spend time reconciling data from multiple systems. New AI-driven role. Monitor AI-generated forecasts created using ML models, e.g., LSTM, ARIMA, Profit. Train the model with new variables, e.g., weather, macroeconomic indicators. Investigate anomalies and refine inputs to improve accuracy. Example. At a consumer electronics company, planners now work with an LSTM-based demand forecasting tool that pulls POS data, promotions, and seasonal patterns. The planner's role has shifted to validating outputs, communicating insights to sales and production, and updating the model when assumptions change. Procurement professionals, strategic sourcing advisors. Old role. Request quotations, RFQs, compare suppliers, manually evaluate price and delivery terms. Handle purchase orders and approvals via email or spreadsheets. New AI-driven role. Use NLP and RPA to automatically evaluate supplier bids and extract risk factors. Focus on supplier innovation, ESG compliance, and contract strategy. Leverage AI to identify supplier performance trends and negotiate smarter deals. Example. A procurement officer at an automotive OEM now relies on SAP Ariba's AI assistant to auto-score vendor responses to RFPs and highlight sustainability risks. Their time is now focused on strategic negotiations and vendor relationship building. Logistics coordinators, automation analysts, and exception managers. Old role. Build shipping schedules, book carriers manually, track shipments via phone/email. Manage spreadsheets of delivery KPIs and delays. New AI-driven role. Oversee AI-powered route optimization and freight booking tools, e.g., Forekites ShipWell. Handle exceptions, weather disruptions, customs delays. Analyze cost-to-serve dashboards to suggest optimizations. Example. A logistics coordinator at a food distribution company now works with a dynamic routing system that uses real-time traffic and weather data. Instead of planning the routes, they analyze deviations, adjust delivery plans, and work with AI to prevent recurring disruptions. Warehouse managers, system integrators, and robotics coordinators. Old role. Manually plan pick/pack/ship schedules. Supervise warehouse workers and manage WMS updates. New AI-driven role. Work with AI-integrated warehouse management systems, WMS. Coordinate with robotic systems, e.g., AMRs, AS/RS. Use computer vision for inventory tracking and loss prevention. Example. At a large 3PL warehouse, the manager now oversees AI-powered picking robots and uses visual dashboards to reallocate workers based on predictive order volumes. They spend less time on paperwork and more on optimizing workflows and safety. Transportation managers, AI policy designers, and scenario planners. Old role. Choose carriers, negotiate rates, plan static transportation networks. New AI-driven role. Use AI models, e.g. Monte Carlo simulations, digital twins, to test new logistics policies. Implement dynamic carrier selection and demand-driven fleet usage. Analyze cost/service trade-offs in near real-time. Example. At an FMCG firm, a transportation manager uses a digital twin of the distribution network. AI simulates how changing fuel prices, labor shortages, or carbon taxes affect delivery timelines and cost. The manager updates routing policies based on these simulations. Supply chain analysts, insight translators, and strategy planners. Old role. Compile data from ERP systems, build Excel dashboards. Run descriptive analytics, e.g., last month's stockouts. New AI-driven role. Use predictive analytics to anticipate bottlenecks or supplier risks. Use tools like Power BI, Tableau with AI plugins to visualize insights. Make strategic recommendations using AI-generated simulations. Example. A supply chain analyst at a pharma company uses predictive analytics to foresee API shortages 6 months in advance based on supplier lead times, weather patterns, and geopolitical risks. This allows the company to switch to backup suppliers ahead of time. AI skills to future-proof your career in supply chain. Here are the skills and tools which you need to learn to remain relevant in supply chain job market. Skill area. Description. Tools and platforms. Data analysis and visualization. Ability to interpret AI outputs. Power BI, Tableau, Excel, Python. Machine learning basics. Understanding algorithms and applications. Coursera, Andrew Ng, Kaggle edX. SQL and Python. For querying and handling supply chain data. MySQL, PostgreSQL, Jupyter, Pandas. ERP/WMS/CLM tools. AI integrated systems management. SAP Ariba, Oracle SCM, Blue Yonder. RPA tools. Automate processes in procurement/logistics. UiPath, automation anywhere. How to build AI skills for supply chain roles. Online platforms. Coursera e.g., AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng. edX e.g., supply chain analytics. Udemy e.g., AI in logistics and SCM. Certifications. Apex CPIM with focus on digital supply chain. MITx MicroMasters in supply chain management. UiPath RPA developer certification. Practice projects. Analyze sales data to forecast demand using Python. Create a route optimization algorithm using Google Maps API. Use Power BI to create dashboards from procurement data. AI doesn't eliminate jobs, it changes them. Winners, those who upskill and work with AI to gain better insights and decision-making power. Losers, those who remain dependent on manual, repetitive work. Example. A demand planner at a retail firm used to build forecasts in Excel manually. After learning Python and Power BI, they now supervise an ML model that improves forecast accuracy by 20%, saving the company $500,000 annually. Final thoughts, the road ahead. AI in supply chain and logistics is not about job loss, it's about job evolution. The future professional is not just operationally efficient, but also digitally fluent. Those who embrace AI, learn its language, and adapt their skill sets will become the next generation of supply chain leaders. If you learned something today, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into supply chain tech, strategy, and career growth. And if you want exclusive case studies, templates, and live sessions, join the channel membership today. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.